So I've implemented the collision method in my program. So in my objects, so public void collision. So I got here a loop that runs this command. So if I is equals to 0, so if I is less than handler, so I made an instance of my handler here equals object size null plus 1, so it runs this command. So game object, temporary game object, handler that object get I. So an if statement that tells temporary object get I is equals id basic enemy. So if basic enemy, then it runs this command. If basic enemy is equals to temporary object that get I, it runs this command. So if get bounds intersects with temporary object get bounds, so if this interacts with this object, it runs this code. So this is another if statement inside an if statement. So had that health minus equals 1, so it reduces my health. So to run this code, let me show you. So this is my UI. See, if this object interacts or intersects with my game object, it basically reduces my HP. So that's all in my collision method. I hope I explained it well, and I hope you learned something about implementing things in your objects. Thank you for watching.